Hey y'all, so I am currently on a water taxi with a glass bottom boat. Actually, Tasha and I are here, guys. We decided with the short time in Cabo, we're gonna check out the water taxi tour. I hope you guys enjoy this tour. A lot of marina area in the back, if you can see.
Y'all, we on another boat, y'all. It's a little rocky, and we doing this tour in Cabo San Lucas. We're gonna take us to a little spot, so we're gonna take you guys along. Come on, cousins, don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe. All right, come on.
Family, this is Cabo San Lucas Bay.
Okay.
No one or real deep.
Oh, okay.
The right side we have a local beach. And it's Corsario beach.
Okay.
Everybody knows the tactic. People watch tuna factory. That's it. Mike Tyson, long talk. Look at the top.
Oh yeah. You said Mike Tyson. Okay.
Pelican Beach.
Okay. Pelican Beach.
Here we have a natural aquarium.
Oh Lord. Same from a movie, yeah. Same from a movie. Behind you is Pelican Beach, baby. That's why you see everybody in the water. Oh, okay.
Well, you see something in there, Gerald?
The fish.
Oh.
Look down too. He's feeding it. He's doing it. There's some fish down there, y'all.
Oh, okay. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Gerald, you got the pretty fish?
Yeah.
The orange? Oh wow, they're gorgeous.
I see
And
them
yellow.
swimming underneath. Oh, there you go. That's fine.
They paddle surfing over here. They paddleboard.
Who was the one that did?
Hey y'all. I'm just enjoying the view and the beautiful breeze and the beautiful water. And look, it's got some beautiful fish. You don't see them hardly anywhere. They are multicolored, bright colored.
Beautiful rock formation, for sure. If you look closely at each rock, it looks like a character in the city. Yeah. Looks like we're coming up to Lovers Beach.
This is San Andres Cave.
Okay.
San Andres.
Turn around. Why?
Magic. Two people going.
San Andres Cave. Oh, okay. Okay, Lord.
We don't need to go to that place.
Yeah. Lovers Beach. Yeah. Oh, okay. That's Lovers Beach, y'all.
Look, it looks like that's a resort over there. Or something.
The Pacific window, man. That's the Pacific window, y'all. I'll look right into it.
It's cool how it opens up between the rocks.
I do. It is. All right. The arch, you guys. Yeah, it does look like a big dragon drinking water.
And the Scooby-Doo rock at the front.
The Scooby-Doo rock. Okay.
Find a lot of now.
That's a sea lion.
Oh.
Okay. All right. Hey, y'all. So I hope y'all are enjoying our vlog, guys, as we still are journeying on the water taxi in Cabo San Lucas. Definitely our very first time here, you guys. So it's a nice, fun notification. So you get that notification when the new video posts, you guys. And subscribe to our channel if you're new, and thank you for joining us here today in Cabo San Lucas.
Hey, look at the pancho. The back of the boat.
Oh,
You see it?
yeah.
The water tour, y'all, it was amazing. And we got to see the most beautiful fish I've ever seen. They were multicolored, purple with a yellow tint, and then they had an orange line, and I was like, whoa. And then we got to see seagulls. What seals or seagulls?
Sea lions.
Sea lions. My bad.
We saw seagulls too.
Yeah, we saw seagulls, but we saw pelicans.
And we saw pelicans.
Yes, all kind of stuff in the water. But it was really good. Water tour, boat tour. And the tour guide was very informative. He was explaining all kinds of stuff. And the rock formation, look at this, look at that. So yes, you guys, come down to San Lucas, make sure you get your water tour. All right, bye.
Lots of different shops, y'all, for y'all to see. Boat rides.
Look, he got the right stuff.